Do you suffer vertigo or a severe sensation of spinning? Possibly been diagnosed with BPPV? If that's you, stay tuned because in this video, we're going to show you how to do a home Epley maneuver. This is a maneuver that's been clinically shown to cure vertigo and fast. We're going to go through step by step, show you how to do it. We're even going to show you how to test at home to see if it's the right side that has the vertigo or the left side. Let's get into the video and we'll take a look. Well, welcome back to another episode of Physio Tips with Mauro. I'm your host, Mauro Burnett. And for those of you that don't know me, I'm a board-certified orthopedic specialist in physical therapy and the owner of Australian Physiotherapy Specialists Physical Therapy Center located in Jacksonville, Florida. For today's video, our Halloween special video, we're going to be talking about vertigo and BPPV. We're also going to give you that home treatment that we talked about. We're going to coach you through step by step. We're going to show you that in a moment. But I just want to take a minute and talk a little bit about what BPPV is, okay? The term BPPV stands for benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. What happens is someone rolls in bed, they bend forward, and you get this sudden brief sensation of spinning. It usually lasts a matter of seconds. The theory behind what's going on are you have crystals called otoconia that are crystals of calcium bicarbonate. They're usually located inside some of the organs of your ear. But as they become dislodged, they can become free-floating throughout the canals of your ears, the semicircular canals. The most common canal for this to happen is the posterior canal. Once this occurs, it sends a false sensation to the brain that you're spinning when actually you're not spinning. It can be pretty terrible. It's usually benign, it's usually clear, but it can be pretty terrible when you're going through this. So we're going to give you what's called the Epley maneuver. The Epley maneuver is something you can do at home. We're going to show you. Easy to do, and Mayo Clinic and many other people that have studied it have had really good success with using this to clear up BPPV type symptoms. So let's get into the part with the home treatment and we'll coach you through. Let's talk about how to test at home to see if it's the right ear that has the crystals dislodged or if it's the left ear. All you need is a bed and a pillow. We're going to place the pillow about 2/3 up your back. And then what I'm going to do is lie back over the pillow. That'll create a little bit of extension in my neck. And then I'm going to go about 45 degrees of rotation. I'm first going to test my left side. I'm going to look to see, does that cause the vertigo and dizziness sensation? If it doesn't, give it 45 seconds to see if it's going to cause the symptoms. But if it doesn't, we'll sit you right back up. Then what we're going to do is do the same test for the right side. Let's get into the test and we'll take a look. So I'm going to lie back over the pillow, a little bit of extension, 45 degrees of rotation to the left. If you get symptoms, wait for the symptoms to go away. Maybe wait 30 seconds after that. And then we'll carefully sit you back up. If you did not get symptoms, then let's test the right side to see if that's the symptomatic side. I'm going to go back. A little bit of extension, right rotation at 45 degrees. Hang out, give it 45 seconds, 50 seconds, see if it causes symptoms. Okay, looks like it's not causing symptoms, so then I sit back up. Let's do a scenario where the left side was the symptomatic side. We're going to do the Epley maneuver and focus on that left side. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go down in a very similar position that we did the test. We're going to hold that until the symptoms go away, wait 30 seconds, and then we're going to move 90 degrees over to the opposite side. We're going to wait for the symptoms to go away, then we'll hold that for another 30 seconds, and then we're going to roll all the way onto your side with your head looking down towards the table. Once we do that, same scenario, wait for the symptoms to go away, wait another 30 seconds, and then we're going to sit you back up. A couple of the positions I can do with the microphone behaving, but that last bit I'm going to have to kind of modify a little bit so I'm not squishing the microphone. But let's give it a go and see how it looks. I lie back, extension 45 degrees to the left, wait for the symptoms to go away, let it go away for maybe 30 seconds. And now I'm going to rotate my head about 90 degrees to the right. If this creates vertigo, wait for the vertigo to go away, then hold for another 30 seconds. And now what I'm going to do, straighten my right foot, push with my left foot, and roll to my right while kind of looking down. Hold that position till the vertigo goes away. Then wait another 30 seconds. I'm going to tuck my chin in a little bit, and I'm going to carefully sit back up. Hold, wait till the vertigo go away, hold for 30 seconds. Finally return to neutral, chin slightly tucked in. Make sure there's no symptoms. And now you've just completed the Epley maneuver for the left side. If you want to test it again to see if you've resolved your symptoms, we're going to do that same initial test again, the Dix-Hallpike. So I go back, a little bit of extension, 45 degrees. All right, this is great. I'm not getting symptoms. Then you were successful at your home Epley maneuver. Give it a try. If you feel nervous about it, maybe have a family member, a friend with you, but it's pretty safe to do at home. Modify it with a pillow. You can do it right on your bed. Give it a try. Drop us a comment. Let us know how you did. If it helps, it usually helps quickly. Sometimes you might have to do it 2 or 3 times, but it should be helpful if it's going to help. So give it a try. Drop us a comment, and we'd love to know if it helped or not. Thanks so much. Well, thanks for watching today's video on a home treatment for vertigo using the Epley maneuver. I hope you got something out of it. I hope it was helpful. We'd love to hear from your comments below on what you thought, if it was helpful or if it wasn't, or if you have any ideas on other videos that you'd like us to do. Remember, you can always subscribe to our channel. It's free to see more videos like this. Hitting the like button always helps us again. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Physio Tips with Mauro.